line of symmetry. What would the b value be in this particular one? It is 0. Is that you, Skylar? Very good. It is 0. So if the b term is not listed, it's because it's 0x. So in the x equals negative b over 2a, you're going to have negative 0. And the rest really doesn't matter, but we'll go ahead and still fill it in. What's my a first? 1. Very good. What is negative 0 divided by 2 times 1? 0, right? So your line of symmetry, or your vertex, is x equals 0, so it's right on the y-axis. So of course it's split in half. So your table is going to have 0 in the middle. 0, and then we have negative 1, negative 2, and we have 1 and 2. And now when you plug it in, you only have one place to put the x. So you have negative 2 squared minus 9. We're going to have negative 1 squared minus 9. 0 squared minus 9. So on. We're going to find those values on your own. How about negative 1? What? 0? And 1? 2? Very good. And it mirrors itself, so we most likely did it correctly. Now we're going to plot our points. So 0, negative 9. And then we have negative 1, negative 8 on either side. And we have negative 5. Oh, this one we have to go out one more. We never got to 0, did we? Let's go out one more. What would you get if you plugged in negative 3? Negative 3. And 3 will hope to hit 0.
18.
You got 18 when you plugged in negative 3?
Yeah, 0.
0, yeah. Perfect.
What did I do wrong?
I don't know. Did you not use parentheses, maybe?
No, I just put parentheses in.
See how close right there.
It's squared. Oh, I added 9 instead of subtracted it.
So now what are my solutions to number 5? Very good. Negative 3 and 3. Does it matter what order you put them in? I think you are supposed to start with the least to the greatest. I don't take off for it to get to the zeros. Oh, so it's, oh. If it goes too far out, well, we probably won't have anything to go too far out. All right, is there anything else? I'm going to do 7 for sure. Does anybody need to see 4 or 6? All right, let's look at number 7. Let's first do our line of vertex. So what is my b term? 8 good. And then a is negative 1. So what is my line of symmetry? We have negative 8 divided by 2 times negative 1. So not negative 4, but positive 4. Yep. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to build your table. Down 1, down 2, up 1, up 2. So we're going to plug it into the equation. So we have negative 2 squared plus 8 times 2 minus 17. Same thing for 3. You get the same thing for 6. How about 3 and 5? What did you guys get? 3 and 5 are negative 2. And then 2 and 6 are negative 5. You can see based on the way the graph comes together, your vertex is below the x-intercept or x-axis, and then it opens up down. So it's never going to cross the x-axis. So there are no real solutions for this one. Real being the key word there. Don't put no solutions, because now we're going to be moving into the imaginary system as well. It's no real solution. In a few sections from now, we'll look at how to write out those solutions.
Isn't there like a symbol you can put like
There's a symbol, it's the I.